Everyone, this is Heather Lottinen from the Flourish Academy. This is episode 507. Today we're talking about pricing, and this came up recently in the Flourish Academy membership group. But oftentimes photographers will ask me, how do I raise my prices? Well, I recently raised my prices for my private mentoring. I also, within the last year, raised my prices for my wedding packages. And what you could do, what I did, was I logged into my website, or maybe if you don't have a website, maybe you have a pricing guide, or maybe you don't even have that and you just have like an email that you send out to your clients with information about your prices. This is all you need to do to change your prices is log in, hit backspace, and change the number. That's it. It really is that simple. Now, I am feeling a little bit froggy today. We have Camera Club this evening. I'm very excited and I'm kind of hyped up. But really, I know what you're asking is, does it make sense for you to raise your prices? But that's a very different question. If you ask me, how do I raise my prices? I'm going to tell you to just change the number. The problem is you start assigning an interpretation or a story to that number. Things like, am I worth it? Will people pay for that? Will my market support those prices? Well, that's a very different conversation. Now, someone in the membership group just posted this morning that she doubled her income. She doubled it. Why? Because she doubled her prices. And everybody's asking her, oh, tell me how, or what did that look like? And I'm telling you, if you could just get out of your own head for a second, all it takes is changing a number. Changing a number on your website, your pricing guide, is not difficult, nor should it be a big deal. We really need to talk more about your mindset around pricing and what you feel comfortable with in terms of your confidence, experience level, and your market. And again, that's a bigger conversation. But if you keep this really basic, and this is actually an exercise I put myself through recently when I changed my private mentoring rates, I just had to get out of my own head, and I was literally like, Heather, okay, just log into the website and change the number. People will hire you or they won't hire you, and that's okay. So it's not really about, your market or, okay, this is challenging because somebody will say, well, my market won't support that. Well, we could argue that all day long. This is really just about your approach to money and pricing. So if you want to double your income, then double your prices. Just change the number and don't overthink it. Send it out to your clients, see what happens. Another thing that goes along with this is offering discounts. A lot of you will get a phone call or an email from someone, and you go straight into offering them a discount without even giving them your full pricing. And then later on they say to you, this happened recently, they say, oh, I would have paid your full prices. And you're like, oh, why do you jump straight into offering a discount? It's probably because you don't believe in your pricing. Well, how is anyone else going to believe in it if you don't? You have to establish pricing, believe in it, stand firm, send it out, and let good things come to you. Just allow it to happen. If you want any more help with this, make sure you jump into the free private Facebook group, the FA community. We have a lot of photographers there that would be happy to help you. I hope that you found this useful. I'll see you in the next video.